Hi, I'm Tim from the Heresy group here. I wanted to give you a brief overview today of the Cubby Hybrid from Husar. Now this is the larger of the two, a much larger variant in that case of the Cubby. The standard Cubby, if you want to see the review of that, you can go back to the channel. I'll make sure it's on the white eye in the top right hand corner of the video now. This is a much larger system. It allows this to be, again, one as a fanny pack with a waistband. If you do want to take the waistband off, it is fully removable like so. You can remove the this kind of swift clip from this and it gives it nice signature, so there's no buckle or anything dangling about on this. They can be fully removed. If you do want to run it as a dangler, you can do that with a proprietary system where I will put the image of that in now, and they clip to the top. Then you can attach it to the majority of plate carriers that are on the market, although you can also use the Molle straps that come down the back of here. This is fully Molle with two straps on, so you can fix this to backpacks, plate carriers, any Molle system. If you've got a Molle liner in your pelly cases, anything like that, you can use this to fix this to them. Across the back then, we've got a nice big zipper pocket across the back, very discreet pocket. You know, if you've got this on your front of your body and you've got things in here, or you just want to tuck stuff away, mobile phones, whatever, that's going to be protected from any impact on the front, then you've got a nice big full-size pocket all the way across the back that is accessible via this zip. Spinning around to the front then, you've got a ton of versatility on the front of here. You've got these elasticated areas either side that are absolutely perfect for a pistol mag. So I've got one here, just going to slide it into the top of here. Obviously if this was attached to the body, it'd be a little bit easier, but as you can see, like so, fits a pistol mag absolutely perfect in there, and is nice and quick and easy to access. So as well as a variety of other things, you know, you could put chem lights in there, you could put zip cuffs in there, a ton of different things, medical equipment, whatever. You've got those either side. Again, you've got these two smaller loops on here as well. If you want to stick a pen through there or some type of knife or something like that, you can use those loops as well for tie downs. Across the front then, we've got the smaller kind of rectangular style pocket. Opening that up like so, you can see inside there you've got some elasticated tie downs just for stuffing stuff in and organising. Across the front we've got a big Velcro panel if you want to put any ID markers or whatever across the front of there. If you've got name IDs, or if you've got your blood type, something like that, you can stick that across the front. Across the bottom then we've got the elasticated tie down area. When I put a rat's tourniquet in there, bottle of water, your gloves, anything like that, very easy to stick stuff in there, and you can tighten that down at this end just with this little pull bungee. If you need to pull that nice and tight, you want to stick something in there. Okay, getting to the main compartment then, nice big YKK zippers on here with some paracord with a nice big elasticated plastic pull cord on the end. Really nice big zips, full YKK zippers all the way around. Opening this thing up is an absolutely beast inside. I'm just going to fold this out like so. You can see inside here you've got these nice big yellow zippers with zip pulls on. Just makes them nice and easily visible if you're looking into this. You've got this big zip pocket across the back. So you've got another separate pocket inside here. You've got some tie down D-rings. You've got some large elasticated areas for stuffing bits and bobs in. You really can admin this out in a very, very clean way if you needed to. Across the bottom then we've got Velcro. If you've got Velcro battery tie downs, if you've got Velcro ammunition tie downs, anything like that, you can stick that across the bottom. You can stash all your stuff in there. Spinning round to have a look at the front of this then, we also have a load more elasticated tie down areas. We've got small loops across the front, you can see my finger in there, and then you can see the larger loops across the back. Again, lots and lots of versatility there for you to be able to tie stuff down. Now the actual scale of this is much bigger than the standard Cubby, so if you are on extended time on the ground, you just want a slightly bigger variant of a bum bag, this is an absolutely perfect, you know, a really perfect model for you to be able to use. Again, if you completely unzip it like I have, you have this elasticated bungee on the side, so it doesn't fall completely open, so you're not going to zip this open and everything's going to fall out. So really lots of versatility with the Cubby Hybrid, a much larger platform over the standard Cubby. So if you do need more space, if you are going to be putting a lot more materials in here, or you want to use this as your medic function on the front of your body, very easy to get to by taking the swift clips off if you're running it as a fanny pack, so you can quickly just unclip them and be able to access all of this equipment. It is available in a variety of different colours and patterns. They are now all available on the Husar website. If you do want to find out some more information, that is the perfect source to go for you to be able to look up all of the intricate details of the Cubby Hybrid. Lots more Husar reviews coming to the channel. If you are interested in Husar as a brand, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. There is lots and lots more products from them coming to the channel real soon. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all soon.